Oh man, that was like. Alright, what? Tried to get a front flip, but that didn't work. And as they all say, with hard work, greatness will come. All right, time for next one. That's gonna hurt in the morning. Come on! Is it that hard to do a backflip? Oh man, you can't make it to that checkpoint. Come on, that's ridiculous. I can do better than that. There we go. Oh man, you've got to be kidding me. What? Oh, all that hard work. Come on, stick a landing. You know what? I'm not even gonna try to get a backflip. Oh man, this game is not okay. I don't want to say it's complicated because it's not. I played before. There you go. Oh man, really? Okay, you know what? Time for plan B. You've got to be kidding. Come on. Why are you kidding me? There you go. Of course, you had to fall when you landed. What? Okay. I earned that win. This guy's a jerk. I can't stand it. Are you kidding me? I can do way better than this. These controls are messed up. Cause I can't stick a landing when I'm trying to cut forward. And when I go forward, he goes way too fast. Are you kidding me? You know what? Forget this.